Smartphone BLE 4.0 app controlled via the Chrome app, available for download on the App Store and Google Play Store. 15 PC Compact Pods, 15 PC Flexible Strips, 3 Top Grade 5050 RGB LEDs per pod strip. 16 million colors, vibrant colors thanks to gamma correction technology. Music Sync that dynamically analyzes each song for best light effect. Smart Brake function turns all LEDs into a red brake light no matter what color or pattern was visible before. Be seen. Dual zone control. Xkchrome is the only controller out there to give two independent zones that you can control simultaneously. Top reviews from the United States. My new top pick for motorcycle lighting. Easy to install. Be sure to stage your setup prior to finalizing with the 3M. Test everything out before the staging. The app is awesome also. Tons of color options, AMD and modes. Way better than expected.